This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. Today in this video we will discuss a program of chapter subprogram and file handling in GWBasic programming language, and the program is that we need to use left dollar and space dollar function to write a program to print foot and then space and then football. So we will write a program for it. For this we will, and this in foot and football is will be displayed on the screen a number of times until S key is pressed to stop it. So let's switch to the IDE. We will create a program and we will use left dollar and space dollar function to write a program to print foot and then space and football and number of times until the S key is pressed to stop it. So let's switch to the IDE of GWBasic programming language, viewers. Here we are in line 10. We will type print press S, or you can enclose it in the apostrophe single quote, to stop. Line 20 we will type let $a for assignment operator. As an assignment operator we'll use let statement, and then football. Line 30 we will type $C equal to int dollar. Line 40 we will type if $C equal to S, then and else. Line 50 print left dollar $a comma 4 semicolon space dollar 10 semicolon $a. Line 60 we will type go to 30. Now we'll press F4 key and type football.bs, name of the program, and then press the F2 key to run this program. So you can see the foot and football is printed and displayed on the screen. As soon as I press S, then the program is terminated and it stops its execution. Once again, if I type list to show the program and then press the F2 key once again, so you can see the football is continued. It's printing on the screen. Of foot and football, you can see on the screen there is a space of 10 characters between foot and football. As soon as I press S key, then it stops execution. But if I press another key, like if I press F2 key to run this program and press any other key, so you can see that it doesn't stop its execution, and instead it's showing its execution on the screen. But as soon as I press any other key, it continues its execution. But as soon as I press the S key, so the program terminated and stops the execution. So let's switch to the editor, to the text area, where I will explain the interpretation of each and every line of this program to you guys for your better concept building and understanding. So let's switch to the IDE. So let's switch to the text area. So viewers, here we are. Now I'm gonna interpret each and every line of this program for your understanding. So this is the program we just executed in the editor of GWBasic, and the output you can see right below over here, foot and football, and there are spaces between foot and football, and as soon as I press the S key, it stops its execution. So let's start here in line 10. print statement is used to display message on the screen, that is, press S to stop, and it is understood that whatever is enclosed in double quotes used with print statement is displayed as it is on the screen. In line 20, that which is a statement used for assignment operator, particular assignment is used, which will actually assign the right hand side value to the left hand side. Since you can see football enclosed in double quotes, so it will be treated as a string and is assigned to the string variable named $1 on the left hand side. So what is done actually, this whole football used as a string is used as a string constant is assigned to this string variable $1, because dollar is symbol is used to for the identification of a string variable. So $1 is a string variable, and football enclosed in double quotes used as a string constant will be assigned, or you can call will be assigned to the string variables. So string constant and string variable. On the right hand side there is the string constant, which is football. On the left hand side it's string variable $1. So string constant football is assigned and stored to the left hand side string variable $1. Now this $1 has a new value. Now this $1 has a new value, which is football. In line 30, once again, assignment is done without that statement, and here this function, string function in key dollar is actually assigned to the left hand side string variable $. Now the new value of $. is the $. function. Or I can type $. on the right hand side is actually assigned to the left hand side string variable $. Now the new value of $. is the $. function. In line 40, if statement is used to compare, or you can call check, whether the value of C dollar becomes, or you can call compare check whether the value of C dollar is equal to letter string constant S, letter S, you can call string constant, the value of string variable named C dollar is equal to string constant S, and if this condition becomes true, then the program will stop its execution. But if the condition, and in the meantime, if you can see, stops execution in line 50, there's you can see line 50, print statement is used with left dollar and space dollar built-in functions, and since these statements are used in the body of the if structure, therefore it will continue its execution unless S key is pressed, and as soon as the S key is pressed, the program will be stopped, or you can call terminated. You can see that we have stored football string constant in string variable named $. So the left dollar in line 50 used with print statement will extract foot out of football, since as we have given value 4 means that in left dollar function means that 4 characters from football will be displayed on the screen. After left dollar function, there is space dollar function, with argument 10. You can see on the screen. Here you can see space dollar with value 10 with argument 10 means it will put 10 spaces of blank 10 characters on the screen. There is a semicolon used for spacing. Okay, space dollar function with argument 10 means it will put spaces of 10 blank characters on the screen. And for that you can see semicolon again for spacing, and then in the end the string variable $, which will actually display football on the screen in line 60. Go to 30 is used means that control will be transferred to line 30. So this S is actually used as soon as the S key is pressed, then the program will stop its execution. But if it is not pressed, then the foot and football will be displayed on the screen, like we have seen that this was the requirement of this program, foot and then spaces and then football. So this line 50 will actually display foot and football on the screen. So this $, 4 characters will be extracted, like foot will be displayed like this, foot, F-O-O-T, foot will be extracted from the football by using the left dollar function. Space dollar is used to give spaces of 10 characters between foot and football, and this $, contains the whole football. So this football will be displayed by using this $, character. So go to 30 is used, so the control will be transferred to line number 30, which will be used to take the input. So if any other key is pressed, then the program will continue its execution, but as soon as the S key is pressed, it will stop its execution. So viewers, you can see that the whole, so it means used means that the control will be transferred to line 30. Otherwise, line 30, which will used to the assignment operation. So viewers, that's all. We can see the output as well. We have executed the program in the IDE, and we have executed in the same way which was the requirement of the program, and foot and football can be seen on the screen by executing the above program. That's all, viewers. Thanks for watching.